The run has tested and confirmed the strength and resilience of the men and women who are ready to take on the world. We are setting the pace for the young and the old. It is not too late to be a champion. This is well anchored in our plan. And at the Ministry of Youth Affairs, Sports and Arts, we are harnessing and turning around sports and the creatives into economic ventures for our youth under Talanta Hela. It is one of the structured ways of addressing unemployment, crime, alcohol and drug abuse, among other challenges. For this intervention to succeed, tunashukuru kwa Mheshimiwa Meli, rafiki yangu, wa kupanga hii mashindano ambaye imefaana sana. Tumefurahi sana. Mimi nimeona watoto wadogo pale wanakimbia, nimeona wamama wa miaka 70, miaka 60, wazee wa miaka 70 wanakimbia kama vijana. Nimefurahia sana. Na mkinialika mwaka ujao nitakuja.
Nake Samuel Joroge niwe atogoretie na pointi 30.